country,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll be coming back on Sunday.
Okay.
So
So,
CETs he will attend.
mm-hmm.
There's also CET he's going to attend.
Mm-hmm.
So I just wanted to inform about that.
What about the classes when the revision will go? How he will cope up with that? Then, ma'am?
Yeah, so that I'll have to manage something because it is going to be difficult for me to have connectivity at all times.
Okay. So please send a mail. If you
Yeah,
have already
I
sent,
have already sent one to the class teacher and to the coordinator as well.
okay. So, wait a minute. Who is the class teacher, ma'am?
It is Kanak ma'am.
Okay. So, ma'am, I request you as a subject teacher, please send me also. And please
Okay.
mention the dates. If you need recordings, I'll send
Yeah.
the recordings to you.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then the child will cover up. And the next coming week, I will do the revision of
Yes.
multiplication, addition, the topics which I will mention today in the classroom.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you will come through it and go through it that which topics are going to be
Yeah.
covered
From
in this week.
Monday, next Monday, he will again start attending regularly.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. No
Only
problem.
this week is the problem.
Okay.
And you had mentioned that question 11 and 24 he has to do again.
Yes,
So
yes.
he has done. So do I have to send you the picture again for that?
Send, no problem.
Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
okay, ma'am. So, children, as I told you before going to the assessment test, I want to revise few of the questions which I have noted. Few children are doing mistakes in that. So, one question is write the sum. One question is like this: write the sum of the place value and face value of any number. We suppose I take 6 in a given number. Suppose the given number is 7, 8, 3, 6, 2, 1. And they want the sum. Sum means total.
Ma'am, we have
Sum
to
means,
write this.
no,
We have
just try to understand it without unmuting your mics. Try to understand it what the teacher is explaining to you. Megdad Motiwala, sit properly.
Ma'am, answer is 606.
Did I ask Vivan? Sum means plus you have to do. You have to do the total. Total of what? The place value and the face value of 6. किसका total करना है? Place value or face value 6 का. So first we need to find out the place value of a 6. 6 is here.
Put your board right side, please. Yeah, ma'am.
6 is here.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
So today there will not be the assignment.
I told no before I want to clear some questions and then I take the assessment.
Okay, ma'am.
So the place value of the 6 is 1s, 10s, 100, 600. So we write 600. No one will speak. Just only listen. And the face value of again the same value, same number. Face value will be the number itself, that is 6 only. And out of finding the face value and the place value of these two numbers, they want the sum. They want the total of this. So it will be 606.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Prisha, when anyone says to find the place value of this digit, so can we also write 6?
No, wait. Wait.
6H?
But right now you can write it 600s also, but this way also you can write 600 when you add, when you find the addition. Okay. So have you understood how to find the sum of these place value and the face value of a given number? Suppose they will change the question. Write the sum of the place value of now the question is write the sum of the place value of 7 and place value of 8 in a given digit. or a given number. Now the number is 73489. This is the number. Now write the sum. Sum against means you need to find the total. अब किसका total? Of the place value of 7. 7 की place value first you need to find out. Place value of 7. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it will be 70,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. And the place value of 8. 8 की place value is 80. 8 tens. Now this will be your answer. यहां पर अब दोनों ही place value हैं, face value नहीं है. When both are face value of the different numbers, so different numbers की place value निकालो, उसको add कर दो. Understood till now, everyone?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ayansh, yes?
Ma'am, can you explain one more time this question?
Ayansh, look here. Vivan, look here. The question is saying find the sum of the place value of 7 and the place value of 8 of the given number. इस given number में दोनों की place values को add करना है. First आप 7 की place value निकालो. That is 70,000. 7 10,000. No, that is 70,000. And 8 की place value is 8 tens. That is 80. दोनों का sum निकालना है, add करना है. दोनों की प्लेस वैल्यूज को ऐड करना है. पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में था एक की प्लेस वैल्यू, एक की फेस वैल्यू थी. समझ आया? अब दोनों की प्लेस वैल्यू है, तो दोनों की प्लेस वैल्यू निकालो और ऐड कर दो. सेम क्वेश्चन, यहां पर वर्ड डिफरेंस आ सकता है. राइट द डिफरेंस. तब आप क्या करोगे? प्लेस वैल्यूज निकाले, माइनस करोगे. व्हाट यू विल डू? Nishika, link will be pasted after 5 minutes.
Ma'am, we have to subtract this. If we
Difference,
clear
हाँ.
the difference.
If the word difference आ गया, mute your mic. Mute your mic. I will not start unless your mics are not mute. अगर difference word आ गया, write the difference of the place value of 7 and the place value of 8. तो दोनों की place value निकालो और उनका difference निकालो, उनको subtract करो. जो answer आएगा, that will be your answer. After subtracting, तो difference में minus, sum में plus. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, I
My
have a
dear,
doubt.
let me clear out these things first and then I will come to your doubts.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, make the greatest and the smallest number. If the given number of digits are given to you, इससे greatest number बनाना है. Greatest, you know, descending orders में numbers को लिखना है. Descending means big to
Ma'am, I
small.
know.
9, 8, 1, 0. Here you will not, when you are making a number, you will not put commas. You will put commas according to the place value system. After 3 digit, हर digit के बाद comma नहीं आएगा. Place value system के according comma आएगा जब आपने greatest number बना लिया. Smallest number.
Ma'am, I can tell the smallest number.
Yes, Lakshya, wait a minute.
I
I'll
can
ask.
tell.
Wait a minute. I want to clear the doubt of few students, those who make mistake. जब भी आप smallest number बनाओगे और 0 है, 0 कभी भी आगे नहीं आता है. Don't put 0 first. आप many of the students make 0, 1, 8, 9. Your answer will be wrong. अगर 0 first place पे आ गया तो 0 की तो कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, तो ये तो 3 digit number हो गया. So when you make the smallest number, 0's place is always the second place. So 1, then 0, then 8, then 9. And put the comma according to the place value chart. Understood till here? 0 smallest में
Yes, ma'am.
कभी भी पहले नहीं आएगा. 0 अगर आप फर्स्ट नंबर पे लगा दोगे तो आंसर आपका रॉन्ग चला जाएगा. ठीक है? Wait a minute, my dear children. Children, you need to give your assessment, right?
Hear you.
I have a doubt in this.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, if we want to
if we have to make a 3-digit number, then we can keep 0 first.
Then then you can keep 0 first.
Ma'am, I also have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in face and place value, if in both the numbers it is 7 7. So how will
So 7 अगर प्लेस वैल्यू होगी 7 7 की, राइट, एक ही नंबर की प्लेस वैल्यू है, राइट. तो जब प्लेस वैल्यू अगर वो हंड्रेड्स पे है, फॉर एग्जांपल द नंबर इज 7834643, अब 6 की ही प्लेस वैल्यू, 6 की ही फेस वैल्यू, तो प्लेस वैल्यू तो 6 की 600 हो गई और फेस वैल्यू 6 हो गई.
okay, ma'am.
फेस वैल्यू तो नंबर इटसेल्फ होती है ना. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understood the place value.
See, place value is when you are putting according to the places 7 9 6 3 8 4, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, lakh. So if I tell you what is the place value of 9, I'm not asking place only. Place, if I ask you to 10,000, if I am asking place value of 9,
And can I say?
so it will be
Ma'am, can I say?
90,000
Yeah.
or 9 10,000.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood there?
Yes.
9 10,000 और 90,000 दोनों आंसर राइट है.
Ma'am, can I say the place value of
My
six?
dear, you will give the answer. You will give the assessment. I will check your knowledge. Okay. Go to the next one. I have noted many of you make mistake in this. If I ask how many,
Ma'am, 5 minutes done.
yes, how many 100, how many 100s in 1 lakh? आपको कैलकुलेशन में बहुत देर लगेगी इसको करने में, राइट. हाउ मेनी 100 इन 1 लाख. इन 1 लाख पूछा है तो 1 लाख पहले आप लिख लो. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख. आपने 1 लाख लिख दिया, प्लेस वैल्यूज भी ऊपर लगा दी. हाउ मेनी हंड्रेड्स, हाउ मेनी 100s. सो आप 1 लाख से स्टार्ट करो, हंड्रेड्स पे रुक जाओ. हाउ मेनी 100s? 1000, 100, 1000 hundreds. आपने यहां से देखा 1000 100. Got it, children? Very very easy it is.
Yes, ma'am.
जो नंबर
I didn't understand. Can you say one more time?
yes, if I will explain one more question with you to you. See, if I say how many tens, how many tens make 1,000? So क्या बनाना है आपको? 1000. So first you need to write 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So आपने पहले 1000 लिख लिया. How many tens make 1,000 means how many tens are there in 1,000? So आपने 1,000 लिखा. Start from 1,000 place and go till tens. 100, 100 tens. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how?
Yes,
Ma'am, how do you do?
Yes,
how
ma'am,
many
now I
hundreds were
got
there
it.
in one
Nenu,
lakh?
ma'am.
Because
Yes.
of network
Yeah,
issue,
I
have
got
to
it
answer.
now.
Got it? I will explain one more. See, now the next question is
Nenu, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
explain of 1 lakh? One more
how
time?
many tens
Ma'am.
make a, yes,
Ma'am, today's CT.
yes, is there. How many tens make a lakh? क्या बनाना है? lakh में कितने tens होते हैं? 1 lakh में कितने tens होते हैं? तो पहले आप दूसरा ये वाला पढ़ोगे. 1 lakh को देखो, आप 1 lakh लिख लो.
1,000 tens.
Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So you write 1 lakh. और आपको कितने टेंस चाहिए? सो आप
Ma'am,
lakh से स्टार्ट करो.
10,000. Ma'am,
हाँ.
10,000.
10,000 tens.
Ma'am, I said you 10,000.
आप lakh से स्टार्ट करो क्योंकि आपको टेंस चाहिए. टेंस पे स्टॉप कर दो.
Ma'am, because in 10,000 there are
So how many tens they require in 1 lakh?
10,000
tens. Got it, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I will start the assessment now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but how it
Ma'am.
got 10,000 10?
My dear, you need to find out how many tens make a lakh. 1 लाख के अंदर कितने tens हैं? तो पहले आप ये 1 लाख लिख लो. Okay, write the 1 lakh, put their place values. और आपको पीछे now from left hand side to the right hand side you have to come. Lakhs के अंदर tens कितने होते हैं? Lakh से start करो, tens पे रुक जाओ. So what number is this? 10,000 tens. 10,000 tens. ये word भी लिखना है आपको.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm in revision worksheet 2. You send a comment that to do question number 24 again, and then you said sorry, ignore the comment. Good, but my question number 24 is wrong only.
No, right था. फिर भी check कर लेना एक बार.
Yes, ma'am, I checked.
ma'am.
It is wrong.
Okay, I'm starting the. I'm putting the. I will check it Rudra later on.
I have a doubt.
Link is there. Individual doubts will be clear now. Link is there in the chat box now. Please.
Ma'am,
go
we have
to
to
the-
write in notebook also.
No. जहां जरूरत है वही नोटबुक में लिखना है. आपको वहां रफ वर्क सॉल्व करना है. Otherwise, you please do this, and you will get the marks once you.
हमारी ओली थे तो ब्रांड है हमारी सीट.
I'm going to post this link in the chat box also, in the classroom also. Once you will log out, you can log in from the classroom.
Can you send again link?
Link is there in the classroom now. Go from the classroom. Nishika, link is there in the classroom. Go from classroom. Paste it again in the chat box also. Please go to now. Mute your mic. Write in the any query, any difficulty, write it in the chat box. No, you will get the marks. Once you finish, you will get the marks. Mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, it's muted.
Okay, thank you. Please, if any difficulty, write in the chat box. No one will unmute their mic. I will open my chat box and I will see. Is there any difficulty to any child? I'll solve the queries in the chat box only. Write in the chat box, Rudra Jajaria, what is the problem? Children, everything is written in the paper, whether you need to write. जहां Roman numbers हैं, answers Roman number में ही लिखने हैं. Meet. When they are asking about the Roman numbers, answer should be in the Roman number only.
Okay, ma'am.
It is the common instruction for everyone. If the question is in Roman number, answer should also be in Roman number. It's already written right in Roman numbers. If it is clearly written, I think everyone can understand and write. Rudra Jajaria, in question number B, you have to write the answer in the Roman numbers. It's written
Ma'am,
sum.
there is no
It
option to write. There is
means
no option to write.
means you need to select the answer in the Roman numbers. Whatever the answer is correct. Whichever the answer is correct.
So it means that sum of 10 is
Sum means total. Addition. Just now I explained the word sum means. Sum means addition. Difference means minus. Sum of 10 and 40 is addition. You need to do plus.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in question D, we have to what write in question D? We have to
Write the difference between the place value and the face value of the digit 5.
ma'am, we have to write place value or on face value.
Just now I explained find the difference between. आपको प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू निकाल के दोनों का डिफरेंस निकाल के फाइंड आउट करना है और जो आंसर इनमें से सही है उसको टिक करना है.
Okay.
Nothing is new, my dear children. We already have discussed with 2 worksheets. Just now also I have done the revision. Please do it now. There are total 20 questions, each 1 mark, and once you will finish it, you will get the marks also.
When can we submit?
Yes, please. Once you finish, you submit. And no one will leave the class if you have submitted. You start writing tables in your notebook. Table of 12 and 13.
Ma'am, till which, ma'am, where, how many tables we have to write?
Just now I told. Table of 12 and 13. Let me read the question first. Which group of number is in ascending order? यहाँ पर आपको कुछ सही ऑर्डर में है, कुछ गलत ऑर्डर में है. कौन सा ग्रुप आपको सही लग रहा है जो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है? रुद्र मास्टर, विच ग्रुप इज असेंडिंग? खुश आहूजा. आपको सारे चेक करने हैं, तीनों के तीनों ग्रुप्स चेक करने हैं एंड यू हैव टू चेक कौन से ग्रुप में जो है वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में यूज हुआ है. Ascending means small to big. Small to big में numbers कौन से? No, no two are same.
Small to big.
नहीं है. आप बिल्कुल अच्छे से चेक करो. बिल्कुल अच्छे से चेक करो कौन सा ग्रुप जो है वो स्मॉल टू बिग में है.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we submit?
Once if you have completed, submit.
Okay.
Don't leave the class, please, children. Don't leave the class. Once you submit, you start writing tables in your notebook, 12 and 13, table of 12 and table of 13.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the meaning of this question? How many places in one period?
Yeah, ma'am, we didn't
आपने
understood
periods
T.
आपने periods नहीं पढ़े थे? Ones, tens, 100, 1000,
Yes.
10,000. How many places in? Wait a minute. Let me read the question. Is how many? How many places in one's period? One's period के अंदर कितनी places आपने पढ़ी थी? उसके बाद one's places के बाद कौन सा पीरियड शुरू होता है? हंड्रेड्स का. तो one's
100.
places के हाँ, so one's पीरियड के अंदर कितनी प्लेसेस थी जो one's पीरियड में ही थी?
0.
No.
Ma'am, I know, but I cannot say.
Yeah, please don't say.
Ma'am, I didn't understood properly.
How many places in one's period? आपने पीरियड वाइज पढ़ा था कि one's period में इतनी places होती हैं, then 100 place में इतनी, then 1000 place में इतनी places होती हैं. So one's places के अंदर ones, tens, 100. Then 100 places में 1000, 10,000. This way the period is going on.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said because
No.
someone.
Aryaman, I'm not saying anything. I'm not explaining anything. You just do what you have learned till now.
Ma'am, we have to write the tables in revision notebook or maths.
Revision notebook.
Ma'am, I've done the CT.
Okay. After completing the CT, start writing tables.
Ma'am, from which number we have to start writing tables?
My dear children, every single time, each and every child has to ask again and again the same question. Table of, should I write in the chat box so that everyone should know?
Yes, ma'am.
Table of 12 and 13 and in revision notebook.
And after writing that, we have to show it to you.
Yes. Table of 12 and 13 in revision notebook. Now I will not repeat the same thing again.
Ma'am, we will get our marks
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
right now.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Migdal.
am I already started in maths?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
What you are saying, Migdal?
Ma'am, I already started in maths notebook the 12 table. Is it okay?
Right now it's okay, but after the class, write it in the revision notebook also.
Okay, ma'am.
तो मैम जो आप पे कौन है?
Yes, Vivan.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, Vivan. I'm saying yes. Am I audible to you? Children, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Then Vivan, why you not able to listen me? Catherine ma'am, please ask Vivan what he want to.
He
Yes,
just
ma'am.
has a habit of calling out the name and then he keeps quiet. You keep
Yes.
asking him, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is
Ma'am,
your
because
question, Vivan?
Ma'am, because I can't hear you, that's why.
You can't hear Renu, ma'am.
Ma'am, now I can hear.
Now you can hear.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
in
What is your
question,
question?
ma'am, in question E, I am not understanding.
Whatever you understood, you do it. Otherwise, leave it.
Okay, ma'am.
Question E is you need to minus it and write the answer in the Roman numbers. Find the answer in Roman numbers.
Vedi, what are you doing?
Vedi,
She's
sit
smiling
properly.
on her own and
Yes.
doing nothing. I don't know what she's doing.
Vedi,
Vedi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing your test?
Yes.
Stop talking to the person sitting next to you.
Okay.
You'll make mistakes if you talk and do your test.
Good morning and afternoon, evening.
Jahan Agarwal, please switch off your mic. We don't want to remember God.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Mindar.
ma'am, I have written the tables.
Both the tables?
Write the photo and just show it now.
Both the tables you've written?
Yes, ma'am.
Show it on the screen, ma'am will see.
show me. Mute your mic.
Good.
Put it up.
Ma'am, I cannot hear which
Put it up
table
for
are you
Renu ma'am
writing?
to see.
Not
Which
visible.
table?
Area,
Yeah.
she already told 6 times to 6
But I could
different
not.
children.
Sorry, children, I will not repeat it again now. Sorry.
When somebody asks a question, it is not for that child only. It is for the whole class.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done tables. So do I show you?
Yeah, please, Jahan.
Did you see 9 tables?
Jahan, your test is done?
Yes.
Okay, good. Jahan, learn these tables.
Yes.
Yeah.
I will.
I have also completed. I have to also
Ma'am,
have
can I
to
leave?
learn.
Yes, learn.
Ma'am, can I leave?
No. Till the class is still over, till that time you should be there.
Okay.
Class timings, everyone know, I think. Raise your virtual hand and I will call that child and I'll see their notebook. No one will mute their mics. Unmute their mics. Please raise your virtual hand. I will see your notebook.
I have done the test.
Ekant, just now I told to you, please mute your mic. Only raise your hand. I will talk to you. Yes. Dhruv, tell me.
In H1 version, my answer is right, but it is showing wrong.
H. Let me see.
Yes.
तो आपने गलत किया होगा बेटा, तो ही रॉन्ग होगा, है ना? कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी? Tomorrow we will discuss.
Ma'am, can I show you the table?
No, there are 2 correct answers and they are.
Ma'am, can I show you the tables I have done?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. When the teacher is talking with someone, you should have some patience to wait. Teacher will come to you. I can see your hands are there, virtual hands are there. So please lower down these hands, please. Put it down, Anushka. I can see your virtual hand. Yes, Dhruv, if any difficulty, I'll discuss tomorrow. Right now, whatever you understood, you please attempt it.
Ma'am, I have attended. I am writing tables.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devyosha.
Ma'am, I have a difficulty in 3 questions.
Whatever you understood, you do it. Yes, now right now I'm not here to explain. It's your assessment.
Ma'am, I've done my assessment.
I have done.
Okay. Yes, Bihan, show me. Put it little up. It's not visible to me clearly. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. Good. Learn them also. Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Learn them also tomorrow. I'll ask in the live class.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, I have submitted my test.
Okay. I will check Aryaman. Aryaman, I want to ask from you why you were not coming from last few days in my class.
Ma'am, because I was in Nepal and in Nepal, the light was going and coming. So,
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, Prisha, may I show you my notebook? I have done.
Ma'am, done tables.
Those who will speak like this, I will not listen to them. As I told them to raise their virtual hand. Yes, Prisha. Show me just.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I have submitted. Did you got?
Wait. Lamha, I think as I told you before also that you will get your marks instantly. So it means if you got your marks, I received.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will receive my
Prisha, yes,
paper.
put it down.
I will receive my paper.
Gunav, you received marks?
Yes, ma'am.
So I received. Thank you.
Ma'am, till what number we have to write tables?
I mentioned many times, Lama. Sorry. Yes, Vedi, what problem?
Ma'am, my is done.
Okay, good. Vedi, write tables now. Show me tables if you have done tables. Test is done, Vedi?
Yes.
Okay, show me.
Ma'am,
Good, good.
excuse me,
Learn
ma'am.
them also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Karna.
Ma'am, which table we have to write?
Sorry, I mentioned many times. Yes, Rudra. Yes, Prisha, continue. You can do with the continue next tables. It's
Ma'am,
yes, Rudra Mangokia. Please show me. Thank you. So those who have completed the tables also and their assessments also, they can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Without saying bye, please leave. Thank you.
Bye.